Well, it's time to go inside and look and see what we can find. Who knows? Maybe I'll find something to buy for me for once, since I don't have my spending partner with me. Very interesting to think that these used to be seats to watch bullfighting. When we get to the first floor, that would be the ground level where they did the bullfighting. Yeah, but that's a gym. That's cool. You get your workout on in a whole fighting arena. That's pretty boss. Seems that level 2 is all of the theaters. So there's 12 theaters in here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's pretty cool. And you get soda and a popcorn here too. Just like in America. I wonder if they have subtitles. Comparison prices here. So you get a grande, so a large Coke and a grande popcorn for €10, 10 cents. You can get 2 medium drinks and a popcorn for $14.45. Seems like it's cheaper here than in Texas. That's for sure. Oh, look, a large soda by itself, $5.85. It's like $10.50 in Texas. Crazy. how cool is it that the center of the bullfighting arena is now turned into a play area for kids? Ole. So we're in the sub-level 1. This would have been the basement of the bullfighting ring. what you think about that mall. That's pretty cool. I've never been in a bullfighting ring, let alone a bullfighting ring mall. So that's pretty cool. That pretty much wraps up our time here in Barcelona, though, sadly. I've made it to my hotel. So I want to kind of let you know, in order to do what I was doing, if you're going to walk it. So yesterday, I walked 9.9 miles for 24,856 steps. Today was 28,465 steps for 11.9 miles. Yesterday was an easy day. I only did 2 flights. Today was 9 flights. So if you're planning on walking to these locations, just kind of plan it out, right? So you might have to break it up in 3 or 4 days or whatever. That is why I couldn't go into every place, but I wanted to show you every place that I thought you might like or I could tell you about. So if you have any questions about Barcelona, just let me know. I hope that you have fun here. Put it in the comments and let me know what you plan on visiting. I'd really like to see what your thoughts were on it when you do. It is our last night here in Spain, and we're going to get some tapas. We're going to get potatoes gratinés al pesto, potatoes au gratin with pesto, hold the pesto. Then we're going to get croquettes de pollo, so chicken croquettes. And then we're going to get dados de solomillo a la pimeneta, or cubes of tenderloin with black pepper. And he's just going to get mussels, so I got my own. They don't have Coca-Cola here. They have Fritz Cola. So it's supposed to be a German Coca-Cola without the Coca-Cola. Not bad. Not Coke. Better than Pepsi. You got one bueno, one no bueno. Very good. Try the potatoes au gratin. So basically French fries with cheese.
That's good.
Good. And then do the tenderloin. Good. Good. It comes with like potato chips.
¿Y otro el mismo?
Hey, good? So, Fritz Cola, they're the jokesters. When you drink the bottle, there's like a little ghost or something in there flipping you off. Maybe that's the effing Fritz. If you want some good food, go to Tapas La Corts here on La Rambla. It's literally across the street from our hotel. There's really good food, good quantity, and a good price.